Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apple ID privacy alerts and security features, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Apple ID privacy alerts and security features, begin by unlocking your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Apple ID settings. Look for the Password and Security option and tap on it. In the Password and Security section, you'll find various security features. First, check if two-factor authentication is enabled. If it isn't, you will see an option to turn it on. Tap on Turn on two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Next, scroll down to check Security Recommendations. Here, Apple will show any potential security issues with your account. If there are recommended updates, follow the prompts to address them. Now, return to the main Apple ID settings. Tap on Privacy. In the Privacy section, you can manage which apps have access to your data. Review the list and adjust permissions as needed. To enable alerts for new sign-ins, navigate back to Password and Security. Under the section for Account Recovery, ensure your recovery options are set. Make sure to add a trusted phone number and an alternate email address. Finally, regularly monitor your Apple ID settings for any unusual activity. This will help keep your account secure and your data private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.